Vanakkam. Welcome to this course on Classics in Neuroscience. We have been looking at neural systems, specifically the neural basis of behavior. In this video, we will look at the brain as a gland. We will look at the neurosecretory cells within the brain that lead us to hypothesis that the brain is not only a computer but also a gland. In 1928, Ernst Scharer studied the hypothalamus of the teleost fish. He found that the nerve cells in the hypothalamus of the teleost fish had cells that resembled the glandular cells, material that is somewhat similar to the gland-like cells, for example, the insulin secreting beta cells of the pancreas. Scharer called these cells as neurosecretory cells. These cells serve not only as neurons but also function as endocrine cells within the nervous system. These secretions, it was believed, may be related to the neighboring pituitary gland. This is a master gland. But this idea was met with powerful resistance by people who did not agree with this. Later, comparative studies across species led to the suggestion that neurosecretory cells are present both in vertebrates and in invertebrates. Because it is present in vertebrates, also it is present in humans. So, there was an analogy between the hypothalamic hypophyseal system in vertebrates and the brain corpus caardiacum and corpus allatum system in insects were made, suggesting that these are glandular cells or master glands. With the advent of electron microscope, it was possible to visualize these cells. It was found that there were secretory granules from within Golgi bodies in these neurons within the hypothalamus. It is now, after lot of resistance and after lot of studies, it is now well accepted that the brain is not only a computer but also a gland. We will discuss the details of this in future videos. In this video, we looked at the early pioneering work of Scharer on neurosecretory cells, and suggesting that the brain is not only a computer but also a gland. Thank you for your attention.